Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So if you are new to this channel, make sure you like and subscribe guys. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about this website right here called Masterworks. So what is the work of Masterworks? So Masterworks lets you invest in art and make a lot of money guys. So that's just how it's work. So as you can see here, yes, it's blue chip art has outspaced the S&P by 32%. Do you know what S&P is? So S&P is a group of companies that comes together guys. So that is S&P. So it is called S&P 500. So for blue chip art to have outpaced that by 32%, you should know that masterwork is a big deal and art is a big thing guys. So you should also jump on the train so that you can make a lot of money for yourself. So now let us click on how it works so that you can read the full details. So as you can see here, yes, it's a complete platform for investing in art with over 125 employees based in New York City. Masterworks is the first and leading firm for investing in shares of multi-million dollar blue chip artworks. Build a diversified portfolio of iconic works of art curated by our industry leading research and acquisitions team. So that's just how it works guys. You can see here how it works. We select the art. Our research team uses our proprietary data to determine which art market has the most documented momentum and anticipated long-term demand. So they will do the work, and yes, yes, we purchase the art. So our acquisition team locates what we believe is a good piece at a fair price and agree to purchase the work. So that's just how it works guys. They buy art guys, so you can literally invest in it. So as you can see here, we scrutinize the artwork with file and qualify and offering circular with the SEC allowing anyone to invest. So yes, says our private sales team sells the painting, which means operating out of a separate gallery space. Our private sales team interface with the top collectors in the art market to sell works directly to them or sometimes at auction. So that's just it guys. And here it says sell your shares on the trading markets, which means you have the option to seek to sell your masterwork shares on the trading market through North Capital. So North Capital is where you'll be seeing like the live, like the amount it costs guys of each artwork you own. So that's just it guys, and you start making money for yourself. As you can see here, yes, it's less than 3% of artwork have passed our diligence process, so which means not every artwork they approve on masterwork, which make it easier for you because masterwork already done all the editing. What you just need to do is pick the artwork and invest guys. So in like a year or so, you might sell your shares, which means the shares will have like probably make you like 10 20x or even 100x guys. It depends on how much the artwork is sold in the current market. So that's just it guys. So if you have any question, just drop it in the comment section below guys, and thank you for watching. See you next time.